These TikTok life hacks have millions of views, but they all seem completely fake to me. So today I'm testing 5 of the most suspicious viral hacks to see if they actually work or if the internet has been lying to us this whole time. Some of these results shocked me. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. TikTok claims you can boost your Wi-Fi signal by wrapping aluminum foil around your router. This has 50 million views, so let's see if it's real or total BS. I'm wrapping the foil around the router antennas to create a reflector. According to TikTok, this should focus the signal in one direction. I'm using my phone to test the signal strength before and after. This looks ridiculous, but let's see. Okay, checking the signal now. Before the foil I had 2 bars. After wrapping it, wait. I'm getting 3 bars now, and my speed test went from 20 megabits to 28 megabits. This actually kind of works. I'm honestly shocked. It's not a huge difference, but there is an improvement. It looks ugly as hell, but if you're desperate for better Wi-Fi, this actually works. Rating: 7 out of 10. Semi-confirmed. Hack number 2. Using toothpaste to remove scratches from your phone screen. This one has over 100 million views on TikTok. Everyone swears by it, but I'm very skeptical. Let's test it on my old scratched phone. I'm applying a small amount of toothpaste and rubbing it in circular motions with a microfiber cloth. TikTok says to do this for about 2 minutes. The toothpaste is supposed to act as a mild abrasive and fill in the scratches. Alright, wiping it off now. Let me see if there's any difference. The scratches were pretty visible before, so if this works, it should be obvious. And nope! The scratches are still there. Maybe they look slightly less visible, but honestly, I think that's just because the screen is cleaner now. This hack is busted. The only thing toothpaste fixes is your teeth. Rating: 2 out of 10. Fake! Hack number 3. The legendary rice hack. Everyone has heard this one. If you drop your phone in water, put it in rice, and it will absorb the moisture and save your phone. This is the most famous phone hack of all time. But does it actually work? I'm using an old phone for this test because I'm not risking my main one. I'm completely submerging the wet phone in a bowl of rice. The traditional wisdom says to leave it for 24 hours, but I'm impatient, so I'm doing 12 hours. The rice is supposed to act like a desiccant and pull moisture out of the phone. Alright, it's been 12 hours. Let me dig it out. The phone is definitely dry on the outside now. Let's see if it turns on, pressing the power button. And it's dead! The phone will not turn on at all! Here's the truth about rice. It does absorb moisture, but it's too slow and not thorough enough. By the time the rice dries it out, the water has already corroded the internal components. Rice doesn't save phones, it just makes you think you did something. Rating: 1 out of 10. Busted and never worked. Hack number 4. TikTok says you can clean a dirty toilet by pouring Coca-Cola into it and letting it sit. The acid in the Coke is supposed to dissolve stains. This one seems insane, but let's try it. I'm pouring a full 2-liter bottle of Coke around the rim and letting it flow down. It's supposed to sit for at least an hour. This toilet has some nasty rust stains, so we'll see if Coke actually does anything. Alright, it's been an hour. Now I scrub it with a toilet brush and flush. Let's see if the stains are gone. Holy crap! Holy clean! The stains are almost completely gone. This actually works. The acid in Coke really does break down the rust and stains. I'm never drinking Coke again knowing it can do this. Rating: 9 out of 10. Confirmed. Final hack. This is the weirdest one. TikTok says if you put a bar of ivory soap in the microwave, it will explode into a cloud and create this amazing fluffy sculpture thing. This seems impossible, but it has 200 million views, so let's do it. I'm using ivory soap specifically because it has air bubbles in it. I'm microwaving it for 90 seconds on high. I have no idea what's about to happen. This could be awesome, or I could ruin my microwave. Here we go. Oh my god, it's growing! Look at this! The soap is expanding like crazy. It's turning into this massive puffy cloud thing. This is insane. It's like 6 times bigger now. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. This is incredible. From a tiny bar to this massive soap cloud, and it actually still smells like soap. This is 100% real and absolutely mind-blowing. This is the coolest TikTok hack I've ever tested. Rating: 10 out of 10. Confirmed and amazing. Okay, let's rank these TikTok hacks from worst to best, based on whether they actually work. Number 5. Rice saves wet phones, 1 out of 10. Complete myth that never worked. Number 4. Toothpaste removes scratches, 2 out of 10. Fake, total waste of time. Number 3. Aluminum foil Wi-Fi boost, 7 out of 10. Actually kinda works but looks dumb. Number 2. Coke cleans toilets, 9 out of 10. Shockingly effective, but now I'm scared of Coke. Number 1. Microwave soap, 10 out of 10. Mind-blowing and 100% real. So out of 5 suspicious hacks, 3 actually worked. TikTok surprised me today. The soap one especially was absolutely insane. I did not expect that. If you made it this far, you're a legend. Smash that like button if you were shocked by any of these results. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss my next video where I'm testing viral Instagram food hacks. Trust me, some of them are absolutely wild. Comment below which hack shocked you the most. I bet it was the soap one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.